that not everybody is having phone.
No, in today's generation, everyone is having phones. Even children and all adults.
There is no job for persons.
During emergencies like find medicine at night, cash work instantly. The UPI may fail due to an app issue or low balance. What about it? But what if any hospital you need 50,000 amount and will you carry cash on your hair? Is it difficult or easy? Cash
The amount.
But what about adults? Because in overage, then the overage people do fingerprints, their fingerprints are dull. So what about that if their fingerprints not work? Sometimes biometrical failures are also occur, back fingers, injuries, and some sensors problems are also occur. What about that? We use suicides. Cash payments are private. We can change it also.
But what if in the case of emergency?
So you guys mean that we should not learn the technology, but we should just leave it behind.
We are not saying that. We are just saying that cash is better in every way than cashless.
Okay, what if you forgot your money? Are you able to pay that?
I understand.
No, what if you forgot your money, then how you can pay?
If we have a course idea to do cash payments, we will always pay cash payments.
What if you forgot? Today's generation is very advanced. They are always carrying a separate cash. Exactly. Today's generation is very advanced, so they have smartphones to pay cash.
But if you are carrying large amount of physical money, so it is difficult to carry and it can cause students, you can do it.
But we are talking about the topic fraud. We are changing the topic. No, we agree with your statement that fraud can happen to everyone. But what about our topic? We just think that if you are carrying a physical money, it can be stolen. Huh? How are you going to get it back? We are accounting on that condition.
Cyber crimes that can be handled.
Okay, we can complain about that.
But what if your money gets stolen? You can't get it back.
We can get it back.
But if you guys are saying that our online money cannot get stolen,
But we are also saying the same that our physical money can also get stolen.
I agree with this statement, but what about the universal